Good morning to all employers there in Hong Kong. My name is Rona Paggao. I'm 25 years old. I live in Mangkuram, Ilagan, Isabela, Philippines. I am 152 cm and 64 kilograms. I am single. My religion is Roman Catholic. My father's name is Julito Paggao and my mother's name is Virgie Paggao, and they both farmers. We have 4 siblings in the family, 2 boys and 2 girls, and I am the second siblings in the family. My highest educational attainment is 3rd year undergraduate with a course of Bachelor in Science in Industrial Technology. And after that, my aunt told me that her boss is looking for an housemaid, and that's why I worked for them for 2 years. And my duties is to take care of the children, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and sometimes car washing and marketing and tutoring kids. Ma'am and sir, this is my first time to work in Hong Kong, but I have work experience as housemaids here in the Philippines for 2 years. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save and earn money for my family. Ma'am and sir, I don't smoke, I don't drink alcohol, no tattoos, and no skin allergies. Ma'am and sir, please hire me as your housemaids because I am hardworking, obedient, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job. Thank you, ma'am and sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.